and Beaus. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer of Custom Chic, and if you're new here, let me be the first to welcome you. My channel focuses on fashion, travel, and overall lifestyle, and if that is the kind of content that you are into, then I would encourage you to share, like, subscribe. Definitely hit that bell notification so you know each time I upload a video. I upload every Wednesday and every Friday. If you don't do so already, make sure you also follow me on my other favorite social media platform, Instagram. My handle is customs_chic. And today is all about a H&M fall haul. If you haven't checked it out already, I did a haul earlier on in this week about everything that I got from Zara for the fall, and today we are focusing and tackling on H&M. Let me show you guys my outfit and then we can get right into it. Today's outfit, I am wearing a jumpsuit. It's a collaboration between Kangol and H&M. I actually purchased both of these pieces in a size medium. Please forgive my mirror. That is some white spray paint residue that I need to clean. I actually got some cleaner, so I'm gonna do that as soon as I finish filming. And I just threw on some rose gold jewelry just to give it a little bit of a pop. I am wearing a new lippy from MAC Cosmetics. I don't remember the name, but I will put it down in the description box in case you guys are interested. And then I also threw on my fuchsia red bottoms just to give it a little bit of, you know, pizzazz. I think I said this, but I purchased both of these pieces in a medium. The top was $17.99 and then the loungewear sweatpants was $29.99. I didn't see this in the website or on the H&M website or the app. I was in store and I was looking for something else. Basically what I'm going to show you guys during the haul, but if you are interested and I can still find it, I will definitely link it below. So let's go through this H&M haul. Okay, so now that we got my outfit out of the way, I love this loungewear set. Like I said, it's a collaboration between Kangol and H&M. I'm not sure if it's still in stores, but I will find the links to everything that's still available and I will put it down there. If it's not there, don't fret. Sometimes H&M restocks, but they don't always do so with the collaboration. So this may be available on the resale markets. Obviously, there's going to be an upcharge. So be on the lookout for that. If you feel safe enough, if you feel comfortable enough, definitely check out your local H&M. I live in Florida. My state is fully open, okay? So these items are definitely available. When I went in, the entire front part of the store was fully stocked. I had no issues finding my size. I got both of these, like I said, in a medium just because I wanted them to last me a little bit longer. It's super comfortable. This is actually my second time wearing this tracksuit or sweatsuit, shirt, and sweatpant, and super comfortable. Very good cotton. It's not Pima, but it's regular cotton and it's very roomy. This is probably a menswear cut because I'm busty and this is a medium and there's a lot of space. So like I said, this video is all about what I purchased for H&M for the fall. I did shop a lot of the high street stores just to see what they had. I did pick up a couple little I want to say more summer spring pieces just because I do plan on going on vacation in March. Is it March? Yes, March of next year, and it's going to be warmer weather, so I wanted to grab some of those pieces that I can find. So let's get right into it because I'm excited about this. The first piece that I want to talk about is a turtleneck. This is a just very regular turtleneck. I don't love turtlenecks. I mentioned this before. I mention this all this time. I am bustier inside, so I don't always think that turtlenecks look good on me. I have heard people say the opposite. So this is just really all about personal preference and personal style. While I purchased this, this is thin. This was what, $14.99, and I have my phone here just because I want to make sure I give you guys all the correct price points. And this is called the fine knit turtleneck sweater. This was $14.99. I purchased it in a size large. This is kind of like a pale pink color. So think mauve, but just a little bit lighter. So this color is really coming through in the camera. I'm looking at the camera, I'm looking at it in real life. Definitely the same color palette going on here. Again, it's ribbed all throughout, but the ribbing is very tiny. The hemline here is a little bit more pronounced on the ribbing. I haven't tried it on yet, so when I do model this for you guys, hopefully it's somewhere either on this side of the screen or on that side of the screen. You can see it in movement. I did go up in size because I wanted to give myself a little bit extra room, and I also wanted to make sure that if I wear this as a layering piece, so either with something underneath it, that it wouldn't be too form-fitting, and then also if I wore it with like a smaller bottom, like a leather or a faux leather pant or skirt or short, that this would be sort of oversized, so I wouldn't feel too constricted or restricted, I should say, in my clothing. So I'm excited about this. I love this color. It does come, I want to say, in like a sage green and a black, perhaps. Don't quote me on that, but I do know that it comes in more than just this pale pink color. But $14.99, and so far so good. The next piece that I picked up is definitely a fall winter essential. It is a wide leg trouser. This is the color gray melange, that is French for just mix. It doesn't look to be mixed with anything else to me but gray, but what do I know? This was at the price point of $34.99. I purchased this in a size 8. Yes, size 8, and there's just regular belt loops, front pockets. There are faux pockets in the back. This is supposed to be a wide leg trouser, not necessarily a culotte. I'm looking at this pant right here, and hopefully I'm already modeling it for you guys so you can see it at the same time. And it doesn't look like the inseam is where I would need it to be. I typically feel very comfortable in a 32-inch or 34-inch inseam, and I don't think these pants are that long. So we'll see. I do love it because it is a staple. I picture myself wearing this with a black shirt, long sleeve of course, or maybe even a leather jacket, just to, you know, give it that little bit of hard and soft at the same time. I even see myself probably color blocking, or maybe perhaps wearing it with this pale pink turtleneck. It's a great, I guess, what word am I looking for? Combination. I like this color together. You can probably definitely wear this with a bootie. I can see it very easily pairing with a white bootie, a black bootie. To toughen it up, you can probably wear some combat boots. I just coined that. Comboot. That's short for combat boots, just in case people out there want to know. But this is very versatile. Like I said, it is a staple piece for the fall and winter. Definitely can transition from office wear if you are able to go into your offices, or if you do go into your offices. A super easy piece. I cannot wait to try this on. So like I said, this is going to be a real like try on first look, because I have not tried these on. Leather, 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 leather. Leather has been in all season, or all year I should say, but it's definitely a fall and winter staple. H&M got this right. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, I'm debuting. Let's do this. Look at this beautiful, oh, this color is delicious. So this is a faux leather A-line pleated midi dress. I'm sorry, not midi dress, midi skirt. In the camera, it does look brownish, but in real life, it's actually kind of like a khaki green. So think like fatigue, think olive. That's definitely the color that it is. I hope that color is coming through in the camera. When I first saw it online, I also thought it was a brown, and I ordered it. When my receipt or order confirmation came through, it was like, oh, faux pleated skirt, khaki green, and I was like, did I order that? So when I went back again to look at the description, it's definitely a khaki green. So if it comes across on the camera as brown or like as a dark chocolate, buyer beware. Caveat emptor, okay? That's Latin for buyer beware. That is not the color that it is. It is a nice, rich olive green. I love this. I can easily pair this with, again, this pale pink turtleneck here. And that's also a reason why I bought that pale pink turtleneck, because I thought, even though I don't love turtlenecks, this is an easy transitional piece that I can wear with any and everything that I picked up. So I actually try to kind of build like a capsule collection where I can build on the pieces, and I'll show you guys that as I kind of try this on, because this even goes with some of the stuff that I haven't talked about yet. But it definitely goes with the gray melange trousers, and I would love to see this paired together. It just has a regular snap detail here at the waistline. There are no pockets, which I like. If there were pockets, I think that would make the skirt a little bit more bulkier than it needs to be. You don't need anything in there. This is already an A-line skirt that's going to make you look wider if you have hips. If you don't, it may create those curves for you, but I definitely don't see this with a with pockets. The lining inside, it's just this. It's not double lined or anything. It is thin, but not to the point where I think it's cheap. It's well made, well constructed. This is, again, an H&M piece, and then it has a zipper detailing on the inside that's not exposed. So I really do like this. I'm really excited to wear this. I think you can wear this with pretty much anything. Button down, maybe not the button down because of the sleeves, but I definitely see myself being able to transition this into a very plain top, black, white, whatever color you want to do. This would actually probably look really good also with like a burnt orange or even a chocolate colored top. I can see that color blocking coming really well together. Did I tell you guys how much this was? This was, let me look at my phone, $59.99, and I got it in a size, let's see. Oh, look at this, it's vegan leather. It's PETA approved apparently. Okay. Thanks, PETA. Size 8. Haven't tried it on yet, so hopefully this works. In H&M, I usually size up a little bit because sometimes their sizing can be inconsistent, for lack of a better term. So I definitely don't think that I should have problems fitting into this properly because it's not a pant, right? It's a skirt, so there's enough room for the hips and the thighs to do what they love to do. And so hopefully this fits. Like I said, price point again is $59.99, size 8, khaki green, faux leather pleated A-line skirt. Impulse buy, totally has nothing to do with fall. I do know that I have a vacation coming up in March, but this orange kind of draped skirt here, oh, it's so good. And also because it was $10.99, I figured that I can buy it. Now, I can also see myself wearing this in the fall, fallarizing it with, again, some knee-length boots. I have the perfect pair in my head, a pair of brown snake embossed BCBG Max Zaria boots. I talked about them in my last video of my fall and winter shoe collection. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you do. I will put it somewhere here in the cards, or I'll place the actual direct link in the description box, but make sure you check it out. So more about this. This is actually a size extra small. When I was reading the reviews, okay, there's all kinds of stuff coming off of here. Okay. When I was reading the reviews, what is this? Just go away. Okay, it's gone. When I was reading the reviews, they said that this actually ran big. So just even right now, there's a lot of stretch. So I know that's going to be able to go across my waist, but I don't know what these hips are going to do. So there's enough stretch here, but I would probably have to wear some like OPEC tights if I'm going to wear this out in the cooler months, just to make sure that I'm actually fallarizing this. But if I don't, it's okay, because I live in Florida and fall hasn't officially shown up here weather-wise. Like, we've been getting a little bit of rain, but it's like rain and then all sunshine. So if this doesn't work while I'm trying it on, don't make fun of me, because even though this is a fall video, I'll still be able to wear it. Okay, now, la pièce de résistance. I dropped a picture of this, drum roll please, shacket. Do you guys know what a shacket is? I didn't know either, but I'm gonna show you. This is a shacket. The first time I saw it on Instagram, and I really thought that somebody was just making stuff up. I was like, what is a shacket? And how do you spell it, right? But then I saw it and I was like, okay. So this is actually a size small. I'm gonna talk about the specs first, and then I'm gonna tell you guys why I decided to get it. So this is a size small. It was priced at $59.99. Yes, $59.99. Now, little caveat, there's two. So there's one that's $59.99 and it's like this like fleecy material. That's the one that I have. And there's also a wool blend version that is priced at either $159 or $199. To my surprise, that one was actually completely sold out by the time I got to the H&M website and the H&M app. So if you're looking for the full-on wool blend version, good luck. I don't know that they're gonna restock it, so you might just want to kind of stalk the website and their app just to see if it comes back. Definitely go on there. I know H&M gives you the option of being notified when something has been replenished or has been restocked, so that is an option for you. Now, this gives me very like lumberjack man feels when I first saw it, but then I was like, how would I style this? I saw it in person the first time I went to get this outfit, and then I didn't buy it. I was like, all right, I don't think so. I don't know, let me sleep on it. 2 days later, I was like, I need it. But I was working, and one of my friends, shout out to Cynthia, thank you. She was in the mall, so I was like, hey, can you do me a favor? Can you run into H&M? Actually, I texted her. I didn't do this. I did this. I was like, can you run into H&M and give me the shacket? And she did. I'm so glad she did, because ever since then I've been seeing it online, and I didn't purchase it because I've been seeing it online, but I've been seeing people, 1, styling it, 2, looking for it, and 3, being bummed out that they didn't get it because it was sold out. So I'm super excited to style this. I think this has a lot of versatility. It is thick enough, but not too thick where it's going to be uncomfortable, or what's the word, inefficient for someone who lives in Florida like me. We will get enough weather that I can justify wearing this. And if we don't, guess what? I travel. So it's okay. I can take it with me. Also, excuse my voice. I don't know what's been going on for the last, I don't know, 3 to 4 days, week or so. It's kind of doing its own thing. So when it comes back to normal, we will welcome her back. But until then, sorry guys, this is kind of what I have. The sleeves are a little billowy, not extremely, but I tried the jacket on and the sleeves fit me right where they should. They hit like right above my wrist here. This is definitely oversized. When I was reading the reviews, a lot of people loved the jacket, but they couldn't get their size in time, and by the time their order was delivered, all the other sizes had sold out. So this is a small. That's for the oversized look. If I wanted it to fit me properly, I probably would have gotten the extra small, which was in stock, but I didn't want it to fit me like a regular jacket. I didn't want it to be oversized, because I do plan on wearing this as an actual outerwear piece. I've seen people style it as a dress, which is cool. That's just not gonna work for me, because, well, that's not why I purchased it. Let me not say that's not gonna work for me. That's not why I purchased it. I purchased it to be an actual outerwear piece. It's actually pretty long, and there's 2 slits on the side. Hopefully I'm already trying this on for you guys, or have, so that you can see the details. It's got these cool little buttons here in the front, 2 real pockets in the front. I definitely will not be utilizing those front pockets because I don't want to look too bulky. And then there are some side pockets here. Really good jacket. Feels like it's going to be warm enough. Again, like I said, I live in Florida, so I don't need it to be, I don't need it to be a mink, right? Like, I don't need it to be a Downs jacket. I don't need it to be a mink, but I'm excited about this. Size small, price point $59, which was really good. Okay, y'all, so that's it. That is all that I have for my H&M haul. I know I'm titling it a haul, and yes, I got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 pieces. Oh, 9. 8, 9 pieces, and I am happy with most of them. Again, this may be a little premature because I haven't tried everything on yet, so mea culpa if I try it on and I give you one of these. That means it did not work. But I'm y'all, I was so presumptuous. The only thing that fits me that looks good before my camera dies is the shacket, the Kango / H&M outfit that I already had on, and the orange skirt. It's so see-through though. I definitely have to wear that as a bathing suit cover-up because I can't wear it for anything else. Oh baby, no, it just, the form wasn't right. So all right, that's the end. Love y'all. Thank you so much for joining. I apologize for being presumptuous, but all that stuff got to go back. H&M, you disappointed me. I thought you were gonna do it. I thought you were gonna do it. Didn't do it. Love y'all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.